Happy birthday, Bunny!
Oh, yun na. Kukonek na.
It's my birthday.
Happy birthday!
I'm gonna show you something. The freaking sky.
Tatagos mo kumakabit.
Happy
Bro, don't do that. Ini-story mo yan?
Look, look, we're flying in the air. Since we're like in Hong Kong for my birthday, we're in like a tripod. I don't know what is this.
Parang layo na
But look, it's my birthday. And look, it's my view. Look, it's my view.
Mami, lalapit ba tayo as in doon kay Buddha?
Look at my freaking view, bro.
Ha? Ha? Hindi,
What-
as in
why does it have a stair?
Hanggang dun sa bato niya mismo or... Di ba yung
Let's go, bro.
Sabi mo, lalakarin
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Dali.
Hindi kaya, hindi tayo mabalik. Ang alas 6.
Look, I'm just gonna vlog the view.
Eh, di
for you
diretso
guys.
na to.
Oh, peace and quiet. Guys, we're almost done na, so sorry for not letting you guys see the horse thing. Look, you see that? You see that? With the horse, you see that?
Good afternoon po.
I think we're gonna go there.
Baka ano pa po, bukas pa
Let's
o
go,
ano,
let's go, let's go.
sa Friday.
Bye,
Mag-message ako, ma'am.
Yeah, we will go down here.
Thank you,
That's
ma'am.
the Nyongping Village.